In this video, we will guide you on how to enable and disable the all-new order notification feature on the Mirae Asset Sharekhan app, an important feature to keep you updated on your trades every step of the way. Log in to your Mirae Asset Sharekhan app, then go to Settings. Step 2. Toggle on the auto notification and push notification options. With just these two steps, you'll start receiving real-time updates on your orders. To disable the auto notification, follow the same steps. Go to Settings and toggle off the auto notification and push notification options. Track all your orders smartly with auto notification. Activate it today and stay informed always. Happy trading with Mirae Asset Sharekhan.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.